If you need to buckle different diameter rubber hoses, you can take out the mold and change to corresponding mold. Model DSG 51 Pipe Locking Machine. The Model 51 pipe locking machine made by our factory is adapted to the locking of high-pressure rubber pipe, fiber pipe and plastic pipe compact in industry, agriculture, and engineering machinery field. This machine owns many advantages, such as small dimension, small weight, multifunctional, fast die opening, easy to operate and repair. Before operating the machine, must add sufficiently 64 liters of number 46 anti-abrasion hydraulic oil. Fix the stuff gauge and adjust it to 0. Connect the electric cable. Has 380 valve and 220 valve, two kind. Check the running direction of the motor. Fix the rubber hoses compact. Fix the needed mold into the mold seat using the mold changing tools. When finished preparing work, turn on the power switch and the power indicator light shine. Open the oil pump switch. Press the open mode and close mode button, running the machine. Check whether the mode open and close regularly. Step on the pedal switch. Check again whether the mode open and close regularly. Loop on the client plane of the mold seat. Regulate it well the stuff gauge as per the technical parameter reference table of the locking pipe. Put the rubber hose with the sleeve into the middle of mold inner hole. Press open mode button or step on the pedal switch. Start buckling. Buckle to the set dimension and stop buckling. Press open mode button